How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get big biceps, step-by-step instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So a lot of people don't know this, but getting bigger biceps, it really doesn't have that much to do with the type of bicep exercises you do. I know a lot of people think bicep training, you got to do all these fancy exercises, ton of volume, ton of sets, reps, all this direct training for your biceps. That's kind of incorrect. The only thing that really, obviously we still need to train our biceps, but the only thing that really matters for getting big biceps is actually gaining weight. For every 1 inch you want to gain on your arms, you need roughly 15 pounds of body weight gained. Obviously, we want this to be muscle. We don't want to gain 15 pounds of fat. So that's what it takes. Here's a great example. When I sit at 205 pounds of body weight, I'm sitting at about 15% body fat. My arms are 18 and a half inches. When I get down to 190, my arms are about 17 and a half inches. When I get down to 175, my arms are 16 and a half. So for every 15 pounds for me anyways, my arms go up or down by an inch or so. Same with a lot of people. That's usually what it comes down to. You want to gain 1 inch on your arms, you got to gain about 15 pounds of body weight. Here's my bicep. And again, I have 18 and a half inch arms. That's usually what I sit between 190, 205, and I'm lean. Like I have full six pack abs year round. So what I do is I do a push, pull, leg off routine. That's what I do every week. Usually for my push, I'll do like barbell bench, incline dumbbell, incline chest, and then I'll end it with like skull crushers or overhead extensions. The tricep exercise that I do is 3 sets. That's it. That's the direct training that I do for my push day. I do 3 sets of triceps. That's it. For my pull day, I'll do like a deadlift. I'll do a weighted pull-up. I'll then do like a barbell row, and then I'll finish off with like barbell or preacher curls. That's it. 1 exercise for my biceps directly. So that's 3 sets. I do that twice a week. So I do 6 sets for my biceps directly. That's it. Because they get demolished when you do all your back exercises, deadlifts, barbell rows, pull-ups, all of them indirectly hit your biceps. So you don't need 20 sets for your biceps if you're doing push-pull legs. Most people do either a bro split, they do push-pull legs. Even if you're doing a bro split like Monday chest, Tuesday back, Wednesday shoulders, you don't need an arm day. A lot of people will do an arm day. You don't actually need it because Monday triceps get destroyed if you're doing like 20 sets for your chest. And then Wednesday you're doing shoulders, which your triceps get destroyed again. And then Friday you're destroying them again. You don't actually need that much volume for your triceps and your biceps. But the main thing is gaining weight. That's how you get big biceps. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.